I've cracked the code on capturing enemies with flawless strategy in 2024. You won't want to miss this. To capture the enemy, you must plan prudently if you want to succeed. Do not rush into action, and before you move in for the kill, first cut off your enemy's escape routes, and cut off any routes through which outside help can reach them. Strategic planning is key when it comes to capturing enemies without skipping a beat. By cutting off escape routes and outside help, you can ensure that your enemy is isolated and unable to flee or receive assistance. This level of meticulous planning will increase your chances of capturing your enemy successfully and without any hiccups. So remember, take your time, plan carefully, and cut off all possible avenues of escape for your enemy before making your move. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more strategic tips and tricks.